Hi everyone, so this is my Module 6 AT tools, and I will be demonstrating how to use the board maker. And this is such a great tool. I will definitely also need this for my current clients for board choices. So I have created an account and it has a 30-day trial 30-day free trial for you to create your board maker. So I am on the page for the boardmakeronline.com, and you just click on my board maker and create activity. And these are the templates that you can look for. But I can't find it. Let's do 16 here. Anyways, I can't find it, but I already created the board maker online. So here's the choices, and do the title of it, or the prompt of choice board is I want, and these are the things that the child may like: pretzels, chips, cheese, fish, squishy, cookies, ball, tickle, mom with a sign, dad with a sign, play, hug, more, all done, and then I will add 3 more. Let me look for let us do. So I really like how there's pictures here, so you can just find choose symbol. I really like pictures and having the text below. So I will probably choose help, and you just click enter, and since I also want to sort of incorporate the sign. Oh no! I lost the mom. All right, let's just put mom here. All right, just select. And then for you to put more, let's do, so that's help. What else do you guys think I should do? Oh, the favorite, bubbles. So enter, there you go. And select. And then one more. I guess let's do swing, just so we can also go outside, or if the family has a swing set indoors, that would be great as well. So let's just do this one and then select. I really like how there's so many choices, but yeah, so just, oh, not that one. Let's do it again. All right, swing and select. There you go. All right. And then let me just switch over. So that is all done. Don't forget to save, but let's see and let's play it. Oops. Fortunately, you're not. There you go. I'm just changing all the screens. All right. And it should also say
pretzel, chips, squishy, cookies, ball, tickle, bubbles, help, dad, mom, swing, play, hug, more. All done.
All right, so that's pretty much it, and you can just click on stop. Not sure why it's not doing that. But that's all, and I hope I was able to demonstrate how to use Board Maker. Thanks.